to start the show. I need you guys to make a lot of noise.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's a really interesting day. Chutti nahi hai aaj. It's a Friday actually and I've worked the whole day and now finally my work day is over. So it's not that late but bahar full andhera hai. The time is around 6 p.m, 6:15ish, but it's completely dark outside. Also because it's November, so that's my husband. Hi! It's November, so it gets dark really early now, which is a little depressing, but anyway. So today it's an interesting day. We are going out. We're actually planning to go for my husband's friends stand-up comedy show in a nearby place. So they're playing somewhere and we want to support him. So we're going to be nice and that's where we are going. I'm very excited to see how it is. I have not attended any stand-up comedy shows in Canada ever since I came. I've attended a few back in India, none here. So I'm excited to see how it goes and I'll take you along with me. So come along. See, Christmas is almost here, so people have decorated their houses really beautifully in my neighborhood. It looks really nice. And now I'm gonna go and sit. And off we go. Pata nahi kya, some construction work is happening. Although winters mein वैसे होता नहीं है. This साल there is some construction work that's still happening. So although we have to go somewhere, but it's my sister's birthday tomorrow, so we have to surprise her with a cake. So that's why we've come to a plaza. There's a really nice bakery close by. It's called Rashmi Bakery. That's where we are and that's where we're gonna go. I'm gonna take you.
I'm parking here so that we have space too.
Okay. It's such a nice plaza and there are so many Indian restaurants. You have to see this. See? I really like this thing about Brampton, that there are so many Indian restaurants. And I don't know if you can see, but that lit up building over there, that's a new jewelry shop. It's called Maharaja Jewelers. It's really nice. I've seen the collection. They have good things. And that's Amir. I'm gonna join him. So the good thing about Rashmi Bakery is that all of the cakes here are completely eggless. And we all like eggless cakes, so it's a good option for India. And I can also tell you that while I was shooting here, I saw some nice patties on sale, very similar to India's. These cakes were $30-$35. So I mean, it's fine a price for eggless cakes because you don't find them. और हमने केक ले लिया है. It's a nice chocolate truffle. I'm excited. So we'll go there and then at night we'll go to my sister's house to surprise her and to wish her a happy birthday at 12 a.m. when it's her birthday. Wow, it's pretty cold. It's pretty cold. I just realized there's a store here that's selling South Indian food too, and it's written in authentic what feels like is Tamil. I think that's Tamil. Tell me. Can you see that store?
You're going to the first
I think that's Tamil. Wow, we're gonna go there and eat, okay, one day? Sometime, okay? By the way, that's a really good shawarma shop that our friends told us about. And we come here quite frequently to get their shawarma. And this is the Maharaja Jewelers. That's newly opened. A lot of traffic today because it's Friday night. So of late, Brampton has gotten really crowded. And when I say that, I mean it's like sometimes traffic is as bad as Gurgaon. So, oh my god, there's so much traffic. Friday evenings are like this, and Toronto is actually worse, right? Toronto has far more traffic than this. Toronto is worse than Brampton, I think, but that's why people move to the suburbs. But all of GTA, which is called like the Greater Toronto Area, has now become like this because of population increases over the last few years. Everything has gotten crowded. They've created these dividers for bike lanes so that people would drive more. This green area is actually the bike lane. Earlier there would be 2 car lanes, but now there's like 1 bike lane. Which is good, I guess, for the environment, yeah. She's such a dedicated bike lane. There's no divider, by the way, between the sides of the road, but there's a divider, proper divider for the bike lane. And now we've reached, so we're just waiting for Sameer's friend to come and join us, and then we'll go. And it's actually this friends comic act, right? His performance. So yeah, I'll also meet him for the first time. I'm not sure if he'll be comfortable to be on camera, so I might not click him, but yeah, I'll take you to the comedy show for sure.
We're ready to start the show. I need you guys to make a lot of noise for our host, Shayad Ali.
Alright, Brampton, how are you doing?
नहीं आप तो कभी बात नहीं कि आप तीनों दोस्त हो साथ में हैं कि एक दूसरे को जानते भी नहीं हो दोस्त का अच्छा how do you get
This feels like a strip club attached to a wedding hall.
All right, we just did a show, and did you guys enjoy?
Wow, what an exciting day. We had such a great time. I met Sameer's friends for the first time. The set was amazing. I couldn't shoot because of course they have to do the same jokes and different. So I've put the clips. So आप बताना आपको कैसा लगा show. But हमें तो अच्छा लगा. There were some comics that were extremely funny. It was really nice. I was sitting bang in the middle of all of it. And somehow every time I would laugh a little too hard or I would nod my head a little bit too much, they would start making fun of me. But otherwise the vibe was great, the place was great. It was at this place called Heritage
India restaurant?
Yeah, Heritage India restaurant, and I had never expected that the place would be so alive. It was nice. And after that, I met Sameer's friends. Sameer's friends are amazing, great, lovely people. We've made plans to hang out again. I found somebody who I can work out with, so I'm very happy about that. And it was actually a really good night. Then we went out, we got some food, we got some shawarma. They were camera shy, so I couldn't shoot then. But it was an amazing day, and now we're heading to my sister's house. First we'll go to my house, we'll pick up my mum, then we'll go to my sister's house and surprise her and wish her a happy birthday. So come along, I'll show you and I'll take you with me before this night ends. It's almost 12 a.m. and we were hanging out. Time का पता ही नहीं चला है ना समीर वैसे?
Yeah.
टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला. And I think अगर आज बर्थडे नहीं होता तो हम और हैंग आउट करते, हम शायद डाउनटाउन टोरंटो जाते. बट वैसे डाउनटाउन टोरंटो जाने में बहुत पंगा है बिकॉज टेलर स्विफ्ट का कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट apparently all the streets are blocked, people are not going. Swifties have taken over the entire city, so to speak. Streets, like, I don't want to go there, to be very honest.
Traffic is bad.
The traffic is terrible, but they've named a street after Taylor Swift, so, and she's bringing a lot of money in the Canadian economy, which is amazing. But yeah, we had such a good time today. Now I'm excited to be going to my sister's house. I'll see you in a bit. Now we are here at my sister's house. Sameer has just picked up the cake and we're gonna go in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. No, it says happy birthday to Anaya's mama. अरे ना It's your happy birthday too? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. And one more happy birthday.
Yeah, on the right side.
Yeah, found them. Pink candles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it to me.
You want to put it in the cake?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
I want another.
Here you go. Do it. Put it in the cake. Is there a lighter?
I have the flag. Look at this.
Oh, so cute. सो रहा है गुच्चू।
एक बार
इस पॉट पे लगा सकते हैं।
एक बार चलो मैं आ रहा हूँ, सच में आ रहा हूँ। हाँ। आप लोग चलिए तो। हाँ।
We can
जिया जी,
set
अब
it
बाहर।
right next to the pot and it will auto shoot. मेरा आपको crown का है। It's okay, dear. Is it clicking?
हाँ चल रहा है, वो चल ही रहा है।
Okay.
अब तो हाँ।
आपको क्राउन कहाँ है? लंबा हो गया। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Blue? Green book. Cut the cake.
दीदी कट
You love this cake. Naya, did you feed Mama? हमें तो बहुत ठंड लग रही है। हमें तो बहुत ठंड लग रही है। हाँ। अभी हमने सेलिब्रेट कर लिया और हम निकल गए हैं, तो व्लॉग को करते हैं यहीं पे एंड। बस मैं घर जाके अब सोने वाली हूँ। आई एम सो टायर्ड। सारा दिन काम किया, उसके बाद शाम भी इतनी अच्छी थी, बट हैप्पी काइंड ऑफ टायर्ड। सो दीज काइंड ऑफ days I really look forward to. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'll post the next one soon. Bye bye. एक्सीडेंट हो गया इस लेफ्ट टर्न पे। इतने मैंने एक्सीडेंट देखे हैं ना, मैं क्या बताऊं आपको। बहुत एक्सीडेंट्स देखे मैंने इस लेफ्ट टर्न पे।
पता है जो जहाँ पे हम जब मैं वॉक करने सुबह जाती हूँ ना, जहाँ पे अक्सर तुम कहती हो गाड़ी खड़ी रहती है, तो आज वहाँ पे टो हो गई थी गाड़ी। क्यों ले जा रहे होंगे टो करके?
मुझे नहीं पता टो करी क्यों। वो गलत पार्क करी होगी। ये तो ठोक दी है, पुलिस आई है। Yeah, it's a proper collision. So I thought that before I call it a night, I should show you my outfit. Because I was really proud of my outfit today. So these are my boots. This was my jacket. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.